Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind, and though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
So yes po, magandang araw and welcome muli sa ating video today. So namasyal naman tayo dito sa Mawab, Davao de Oro, no? Galing tayo ng Tagum, and ito yung kanilang Mawab Transport Public Terminal, and nasa likuran lang natin. Papasilip ko sa inyo, no, dahil natapos na yung pangalawang building nitong Mawab Public Market. So ito yung na-feature natin last April. Ayan, so nasa dalawang floor po ito, dalawang palapag, pero yung pinakagilid, no, ni-utilize nila and ginawang offices. Ayan, so andito yung tourism office po ng Mawab, at meron din dun sa may kabila. So napakaganda, no, very modern, ang linis and ganda ng kulay nung kanilang public market dito po sa Mawab, Davao de Oro. Ayan, no, tingnan nyo po, diba? Tapos ito yung isa pang building po ng public market dito sa Mawab. Last April nung pumunta tayo dito, hindi pa po ito nagagawa. And yan, pagbalik natin, August 29, almost, no, patapos na itong pangalawang building po ng Mawab Public Market. Ayan, oh, ganda. Di ba? Sobrang ganda and very modern tingnan. Ayan. Ang linis tingnan. Siyempre may may maintenance, no? So dalawang building po yung kanilang public market dito. Ito yung una and ito po yung pangalawa. And again, katabing-katabi lang nitong Mawab Transport Public Terminal. Tapos dun sa may kabila naman, meron ding ginagawa doon, yung tinatawag naman na tiendas. So ilang pwesto din po yan. Ayan, oh. Okay. So yan yung Mawab Public Market. So hindi pa nag-o-open itong pangalawang building nitong public market. Silip lang tayo dito. Ayan po. So ganyan siya sa loob. Di pa siya talaga 100% tapos. Pero yung kabilang building po is operational na since last na pumunta tayo dito, no? Yung sa kabila. Ano, tingnan natin. Ito yung tourism office ng Mawab. Ayan, tingnan nyo, ganda, no? Tsaka maintain. Simula nang pumunta tayo dito last April, hanggang ngayon, no? Very maintain yung ano, yung public market nila dito. Yan.
See how you've grown while you roam in the streets all alone. And all you can see, thinking about what your life came to be. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light. Another day, like the mothers of Brazil find their way. We're all on our own, but you're the most beautiful I've ever known. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
Parang isa ito sa ano, pinakamagandang public market na nakita ko. Tsaka ang linis talaga sa loob. So wet market, no, itong isa sa mga operational na building nila ng public market. Parang dito yung ano, may mga stall naman sa may kabila, no, itong pangalawang building na ginagawa dito. So this one po. Ano masasabi nyo, di ba? Ganda. Sabihin na naman ng iba dyan, puro na lang papuri. Eh sa maganda po, anong magagawa natin? Nakita nyo naman, di ba? What's wrong na sabihing maganda kung maganda naman talaga? Not because nasa Davao daw kaya daw laging maganda.
You're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light.